Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the steps to check if Windows 10 version 20H1 is already installed on your computer. Since updates on Windows 10 are incremental and the name is always the same, it can be difficult to know the current version that your computer is running. So if you want to check that or you want to make sure that you have successfully upgraded to the new version, use these steps. Open Settings, and then on System, go to the About page, and under Windows Specification, check on version, and should read 21H1. Also, the base number for this particular feature update is 19043. So if you see that number on your computer, then you're also running version 21H1. Another way you can check is to open the run command, which you can do on start and looking for run, or you can also use the Windows and R keyboard shortcut. Then type WinBear as you can see here and then click OK. On About Windows, you can confirm that version 21H1 is installed on your computer. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.